Oh my God, naiyak ako.
Oh, you say hi sa vlog. Sabi sa atin yung friend.
Di ba, maya kasi bawal na mag-video.
Hi to vlog.
Oh my God. Bawal video ka. Gusto ko mag-cry.
Okay, ready?
Wala pa nga, miyak na nga.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for the newlywed couple, John and Mo!
Marjorie, Majo, Marjorie, ang urig at kanang kamay ng Papa. The most selfless person I know. No words can describe how blessed ang family namin kasi ikaw yung ate namin. Thank you sa lahat, ate. Sa lahat ng online purchase mo na lagi akong kasama. Sa lahat ng food trip at marathon sa bahay. Our hearts is overflowing with love and joy that we're able to spend those precious moments with you. Thank you for being there at all times. Kahit alam ko minsan pagod ka na, pagod na po kayo. We appreciate everything that you've done, as well as with Kuya para sa atin. Ate and Kuya, I pray for God's wisdom and blessing for your marriage.
yung garter. Ngayon, ibabalik mo naman yan pagkaas. Oo, ako bahala. Sagot kita dyan. May Mr. and Mr. ka. Ako bahala. Pero bago mo gawin yan, Giovanni, baka sabihin ni Jan siya lang binalahura. Babalahurain ko. Let's take a walk. Giovanni! All right, ready? If you are ready, Giovanni, pass off! Naman, di niya alam kung anong gagawin. Go, go! Palakpakan niya, Giovanni! Kaya ba? Kaya, go! Hello. Don't stop!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wedding mo na, birthday mo pa. Wedding mo na.